Hi friends, today I am visiting Udupi Sri Krishna Mata temple. Let's hit the streets of the Ratabidi.
Ashtamatas are named after the villages in which they were originally located. The 8 matas are Palimaru Mata, Adamaru Mata, Krishnapura Mata, Puttige Mata, Shiruru Mata, Sode Mata, Kaniuru Mata and Pejavara Mata. Ashtamatas are a group of 8 matas established by Madhvacharya.
This is the street, this is the road where Krishna Mata Rathas are taken around. It runs around Chandramauleshwara temple. And this is the place where the Paryaya Utsav also happens. This is the Kanakadasa statue, right in front of the Krishna Mata. This is the famous Krishna Mata's Kanakana Kindi. Kanakana Kindi is a small peephole in the Udupi Sri Krishna Mata temple through which the great Indian saint Kanakadasa was given darshan by Lord Krishna. Now I am walking in the famous Ratabidi, also named as Car Street. It's the area where chariots of Lord Krishna is taken in grand procession. Inside Krishna Mata, you will also find Ananteshwara temple. It's a historic temple dedicated to Lord Ananteshwara. Ananteshwara temple is one of the oldest temples in Udupi. It is believed that the construction of this temple was linked to Pandava period. Ananteshwara temple is very good and clean temple located opposite to Krishna temple. The architecture of the temple is very old but it's very nice. Normally on Mondays, Ananteshwara temple is heavy rush. This is the famous Krishna Mata. One thing I love about Krishna Mata is Madhva Saravara. This is a beautiful Madhva Saravara. The Swamiji have to bath in this Madhva Sarovara before they commence the worship at the shrine. If we go around the Madhva Sarovara northern side, Bhojanashala also visible, where hundreds of poor people are fed every day. Ratabidi street market near the Krishna Mata in an ideal spot for buying idols of deities, metalware for worships, incense sticks, etc. You can also find number of shops selling wooden handcrafted items. Also, we will find in Ratabidi very old and traditional shops which sell religious and spiritual and other wares like flowers, metalware, spices, condiments, traditional clothes and books. You will find everything here.
Mitra Samaj is the very oldest hotel. It's located inside the Krishna Mata. Let's go inside the Mitra Samaj hotel.
Mitra Samaja is popular as the birthplace of masala dosa, and the dosa here is delicious.
You can see inside they created a beautiful artwork. 3:30 ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸಂಜೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ? 8:30. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ
Mitra Samaja is established in the year 1967. This place is a synonymous with the delicious food that can satiate all food cravings.
ಎರಡು